Hello, this is Jouko from the ERGObrass. In this short video I will show you how to set up the ERGObrass extension set. When you get it, it will be in 3 parts. It is not meant to be kept like this, but when it's packed for shipping it is easier to pack like this. So, first add the middle part to the upper end of the bottom part. Then screw them tight together. Do not open this part anymore after the first time. Then attach the upper part to the middle part. Here you can see a quick lock. Open it like this and then tighten it like this. This part can be taken off if you need to make the extension shorter in your bag, but I do not recommend you to open the other parts regularly as the lock mechanism is different and needs to be kept clean. When using the extension, just open the locks and adjust the pole to the desired height. You can see in each section a white stop mark, so do not pull the section beyond this line. With this quick lock, the final adjustment can be done very easily. If this lock needs tightening, then just screw this little screw tighter and the lock works perfectly again.